everyone. Today we are going to see proton exchange membrane and anion exchange membrane electrolyzer test bench. This is RSI MIC. Here we have power supply unit and the peristatic pump, then electrolytic tank and moisture trap and so on. Now we are going to see RSI electrolyzer test bench software. So this is a tool and you have a control window that you can able to connect the power supply and mass flow meter, and you can do the programming for the power supply unit. So CCCV program you can able to do. So here is a window. Then you have a main monitor. The main monitor you can able to see like voltage, time, power and current, various other parameters you can able to see. At the same time, you can able to monitor the impedance also. If you connect with the impedance unit, there is ACI technique if you want it. There is an external device that you need to connect it, then you can able to see. Then you have the real-time monitoring for the flow, which is the hydrogen production. If you want to see, you can able to see that too. Then the temperature control. If you wanted to like set particular temperature to your electrolyzer cell, that you can set it up and you can able to monitor. And if you wanted to see the additional voltage, say for example, if you wanted to work on the stack of electrolyzer cells, you can able to monitor individual cell voltage. So this is the option. So now we are going to connect the power supply and followed by mass per meter. Then we need to do the programming for 2.5 volts. And I'm going to apply 4 ampere. Time as a limit 1 minute and 2.5 volts again, but I will give 5 ampere though. So the sequence I'll do from 1 to 2. So this is n plus 1, so I will repeat it for 2 times. So now the software, you can see. You can have the voltage, current and power parameters. And you can able to monitor the flow which is happening, which is the hydrogen production happening. So it is approximately 35 ml per minute.